Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can change the frames per second on your Motorola Moto G23. For that, you want to go to your settings and then go to display and scroll down to display refresh rate. Click on it and here we have three options. We have the automatic one, use AI to always show the optimal refresh rate, 60 less smooth but ideal for longer battery life, and 90 smoothest but consumes more battery. A higher display refresh rate allows for the smoothest picture, but it requires more battery power. When battery saver is on, a 60 refresh rate will be used. So it's on auto right now and I'm going to set it to 60. And this is what it looks like then. And now I'm going to set it to 90. And I think you can see the difference a little bit. So here it really depends on what you want, a smoother picture or more battery life. So it's certainly up to you, whatever you like best, but you can also set it to auto and don't have to worry about it. Then AI will solve that problem for you. If you decide for one or the other, you can just go back and then your phone will run with that new display refresh rate. So that's how you change your display refresh rate or frames per second. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.